In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon MF4820d printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the steps. So first things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So how we can do so? Navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you're done typing, a best match should appear. Click on the open option to continue. So in a few moments, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. Now, just have to wait until everything are set before you proceed. So here at the search bar, please type for Canon space MF4820D space driver. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So please proceed to the second result, which contains the support image class. Click on it. And eventually you would be redirected to this one. All you need to do is you need to scroll down. And from here, you can see that it automatically detects our operating system, which is Windows 11. So from here, click on this link being attached next to it. Click on it. And eventually you would be able to see a download option. Please click on it as well so that you can now start on the downloading process. So please proceed at the upper right side of the screen. Click on this download icon to check the download progress. So we just have to wait until this would be completed before we can continue to the installation. Okay, so once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click here and go with the Scott icon. The moment you have copied it, close the window as well as this one, and from the desktop, please make a right click and go with the paste icon. So once you have pasted this file, all you need to do is you need to make a right click once again, but this time you need to scroll down and wait until the second to the last option would be available, and once it's here, navigate to extract to. So it will now start on the extraction. We just have to wait until this would be done. Okay. And once it is being done, please bring up your file explorer. Okay. And navigate to the left pane where you can see the desktop. And there you can see the extracted file. So the next step that we need to do is you need to navigate to the settings. So by that, please proceed here and type for settings. So just have to wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left side of that. You can see there are Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed to devices. Click on it. And from here, you need to scroll down. Okay, please scroll down and locate for this one, which is more devices and printer settings. So eventually this kind of window would show up. All you need to do is you need to proceed with add a printer. Place at the left side of the screen and go with the printer that I want is enlisted, and go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. From here, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port as your printer port. So it could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Once you've set it, click on next. Go with have disk, and from here, click on browse. Okay. So if it's possible to adjust the size of this one, you can adjust it. And it's not adjusting, don't worry. Okay, no worries for that. Just navigate to the left the pane, go with the desktop, and proceed to the extracted file. So double tap to it, and it will show you up the drivers. Double tap once again. And if you're using 32-bit, then go with this one. And since we are using, most Windows 11 has x64-bit. Okay, just have to double tap to it and select the driver, double tap, and from here, select MF44SCN. Click on open and click on OK to continue. And it will show you up here. Please select on the Canon printer that you want to go with next. And from here, you can also rename the file. In my case, I'll be renaming it Canon MF4820. So don't be confused. Even if it's showing there MF4800, that doesn't mean that it's not working for MF4820. It's completely the same actually. So once you're done typing, click on next, and it will now start in the installation. Now we just have to wait until this will be done. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the installation. So from here, please allow for printer sharing. Click on next, go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully install the Canon MF4820D printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close all of the windows and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.